like to do other than dancing or singing?
I do like hosting, what else? Studying, of course, and I like drawing too in my free time.
Ayun, thank you. So, para mag-usap po yan na sa brother niya. Siya, right? So, yun. Hello, Ability. So, kailan at paano niyo po nalaman na may interest si Crystal sa music?
Totally, nung i-produce namin, of course, galing ako sa production and sa aming company ng manufacturer. Talagang kung simula po ng pagkabata niya, talagang kung ano talaga yung gusto niya, like may bigay, kung ano may provide namin, talagang bibigay namin para kay Crystal.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, let's get to know more about the original song, Kayong Dalawa Lang. Andrea, would you like to answer? How did you conceptualize?
Ayan, hello, good evening. Magpapakilala muna po ako. Ako si Andrea Meliato from Purple Hearts Production. I'm actually the brand marketing chief operating officer for Purple Hearts Production's brand marketing department. So, first, to elaborate, syempre Crizel is having a little of hard time na mag-explain kasi she's considering na tinatry naman yung makapag-Tagalog. Actually, she can understand but hindi niya kayang i-express pa in Tagalog. So, nung si Crizel po kasi, bata pa, is mahilig talagang kumanta. Bago ako mag-work sa company nila, relative kasi nila ako, I'm her first cousin. Ako yung nag-tutor sa kanya nung pandemic. So, ako yung nung online school, nung kinder and prep, ako yung nag-tutor sa kanya. Nung wala pang office, nung hindi pa kami pwedeng mag-run sa production. And then from there, nakitaan talaga namin siya ng talent. She likes to perform, she likes to dance and sing. Nag-start po yan tuwing Thanksgiving namin sa company, and then we have like hundreds of employees, and then she really loves to perform. Doon namin siya nakitaan ng potential. Hanggang sa one day, nakakita siya ng billboard. She said na, I wanna be there. I wanna be on a billboard. Pero bakit nga naman tayo magbi-billboard kung wala naman tayong product, considering na yung parents niya may-ari ng manufacturing. That's why we created Purple Hearts vitamins and supplements so that we can help more kids also and child to develop, and of course para sa ating mga adults din. And then from there, tuloy-tuloy lang, every time na may events kami sa company, Thanksgiving, anniversary, siya yung laging guest namin. Siya yung laging star namin for free. Ayan, she performs, she sings, she gives her speeches for free. So, doon namin nakita yung passion niya hanggang sa siya yung kumanta ng Purple Hearts jingle, and then she likes to do video shoots, photo shoots. Kaya ayun, nung sinabi niya na I want to create more music, I want to create more videos, syempre, as a family and employee of her company, sinusuportahan namin siya. Then going back to Kayong Dalawa Lang, ayun nga po, mas naging close kami with Ate Kiray and Kuya Stefan because she's a client of ours. And then hanggang sa naging lumalim na yung pagiging family relations or family friendship, hanggang sa naging part na ng entourage, si Crizel, she'll be the little bride, and of course, si Kuya Jello ay best man din. Hanggang sa nag-isip kami kasi Kiray almost have everything na. Ano kayang pwedeng iregalo? So, since Crizel has the talent and we have the capability to produce naman, doon namin na-conceptualize na, sige, let's dedicate a song for Ate Kiray and Kuya Tepan. And then from there, nag-conceptualize kami, ano kayang song, ano kayang message ng song, hanggang sa naisip namin, Kuya Tepan and Ate Kiray, naging parang a couple of years, long-term boyfriend and girlfriend na rin sila, and we've seen different stages of them. So, parang yung message ng song ay wala nang iba wala nang ibang makakapagpahaba, wala nang ibang makakapagpatatag ng isang relasyon kundi kayong dalawa lang. Hanggang sa umabot man kayo sa altar, saan man kayo dalhin ng buhay. We've seen them from starting the brand, building the brand, and succeeding the brand. So, that's why yun yung concept and message ng Kayong Dalawa dalawa song.
So what a very nice concept and story about
Yes po.
kayong dalawa lang. So, Crizel, how was your experience doing the video shoot?
Like you said, it was tiring but fun. It was so enjoyable. We get to see the seashore, we get to go to Calesa, and as you can see, there was a train. I was actually enjoying that part, and actually a fun trivia. When I was like younger, like even like 2 years old, my mom and dad and I and my siblings went there to Las Casas. It was actually really enjoyable. They showed me pictures. The first time that I went there, I actually went there for fun too. And now this time at Las Casas, third time, it was way more enjoyable. I get to sing a song for Ate Kiray. It was super enjoyable to be honest. Yes.
How about Kuya Charles? What was your role during the production shoot? And how was the experience?
Ano naman po, kung ano talagang pwedeng issues o ma-report or kung ano talagang dito tayo, sige, dyan gawin natin at approver ng tourism. Yun nga po sabi. And then, yun lang, sana nakita naman natin talaga napakaganda, nakapag-touching.
So we see that's really a big production. So Andrea, do you have any upcoming or plans in the future for Purple Hearts production?
Yes po, ayun. Actually, Purple Hearts Production is a startup company under Crizel Group of Companies. So, ngayon pa lang po namin siya i-public launch sa masa and sa media. And as of now, kanina nga po nakita nyo, we have different departments. We have the brand marketing, which produces this kind of music and music videos. We have the event marketing, kami po yung nakikipag-collaborate and sponsorships if may available. And then we have the digital department, kami po nag-handle ng mga clients for marketing, we handle live sellings. So ngayon pa lang po namin siya na totally na-launch. And for upcoming plans po, we are going to have more songs. Actually, Crizel will have a Thanksgiving song po that we're about to produce then and to shoot. Target po namin ma-launch din siya this December para perfect sa Thanksgiving season. And also, if you can support her YouTube channel, Love Crizel's World, you'll see there na meron siyang existing songs like the Purple Hearts jingle, the grandparents song, dedicated naman po ng Grandparents Month noong September. And then we'll have more for Valentine's, for parents, for Mother's Day, for Father's Day. So we are targeting at least 10 songs para po pagdating ng birthday niya on July 2026 ay magkaroon sana siya, hopefully, na makayanan namin mag-produce ng concert na ang kakantahin po niya ay puro original songs niya. Yun po sa ngayon pa lang ang plan ng Purple Hearts Production. So, Crizel, you have something to add?
Alright.
I think you can...
Okay.
Yes, finally! So, right now, I'm actually focused on learning and growing more in music. Thank you so much for all your support. It inspires me every day. And of course, there's gonna be more songs coming up. Next, before the year ends, I will be releasing Uncle Thank You Po. It's a Thanksgiving song for all of the blessings and guidance that God has given this whole year. The song was very close to my heart because it reminds me to be always grateful. And next year, I will be preparing my 10th birthday concert. It's really important milestone for me. And me and the Purple Heart Production will be producing the entire show. Our goal is to create 10 original songs in my concert. One song for each year of my life. Hopefully, you all look forward to it. And of course, kasama pa rin po ang Purple Hearts Foundation. Every birthday, I wanted to help people who need it. So next year, we will again to choose